Most people don't fail to lose fat because they're lazy. They fail because they're following advice that guarantees they stay fat. If you're planning to starve yourself, spam cardio, and hope motivation saves you this year, stop right now. That plan has already failed you before. The start of a new year does something strange to people. Motivation spikes, gym memberships explode, and suddenly everyone believes this will be the year everything changes. The year the stomach flattens, the shoulders widen, and clothes finally fit the way they were meant to. The intention is real. The problem is that intention alone has never transformed a body. Most people don't fail because they lack discipline. They fail because they follow a system that guarantees burnout. Extreme diets, brutal cardio plans, and unrealistic expectations push the body into survival mode. And when survival mode kicks in, fat loss slows down, hunger explodes, and progress stalls. Fat loss doesn't need to feel like punishment. Fat loss doesn't need to feel like punishment. Fat loss doesn't need to feel like punishment. It doesn't require eliminating joy from your life or eating like a monk. It requires understanding how the body actually works, and aligning your habits with that reality. When you stop fighting your biology and start working with it, fat loss becomes predictable, sustainable, and far less miserable. One of the biggest lies people have been told is that eating fat makes you fat. This idea has done more damage to physiques than almost anything else. Dietary fat is not the enemy. In fact, it's essential. Healthy fats are required for hormone production, and hormones control whether your body burns fat or stores it. When fat intake drops too low, hormones like testosterone decrease while stress hormones increase. The body interprets this as danger and responds by holding on to fat, not releasing it. This is why low-fat diets often lead to stalled progress, constant hunger, and fatigue. The solution isn't fast food or greasy meals, it's incorporating quality fat sources consistently. Foods like olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, egg yolks, and fatty fish support hormone health and slow digestion. Slower digestion means more stable energy, better appetite control, and honestly, fewer cravings. When your meals include adequate fat, you stop thinking about food all day. Fat doesn't just fuel your body, it stabilizes it. Protein plays an equally important role, yet most people still underconsume it. Protein is unique because it requires more energy for your body to digest and process. This is known as the thermic effect of food. Simply put, your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting carbs or fats. That alone gives protein an advantage for fat loss, but its benefits don't stop there. Protein preserves muscle during a calorie deficit, supports strength, improves recovery, and significantly increases fullness. Compare that to sugar and ultra-processed foods. These digest quickly, require almost no effort from your body, and deliver a surge of calories without any lasting satiety. You eat them, feel good for a moment, then feel hungry again soon after. This cycle leads to overeating without realizing it. When protein intake is prioritized, hunger decreases naturally, and calorie control becomes easier without relying on willpower. Sugar is especially deceptive. It hides in foods people consider healthy, from sauces and dressings to flavored yogurts and drinks. Sugar adds calories without contributing to fullness, and frequent intake disrupts blood sugar regulation over time. When blood sugar control worsens, the body shifts towards storing fat instead of burning it efficiently. Even worse, constant sugar exposure dulls your taste buds. Real food starts tasting bland, and the brain begins craving stronger and stronger stimulation. The simplest way to reduce sugar without feeling deprived is to eliminate unnecessary additions. Sauces, syrups, toppings, and liquid sweeteners add up quickly. Removing them can reduce daily calorie intake significantly, without changing meal size. Fat loss often improves not because people eat less food but because they eat fewer hidden calories. Liquid calories deserve special attention because they are one of the fastest ways to sabotage fat loss. Beverages like soda, juice, energy drinks, and specialty coffees can contain hundreds of calories while barely registering as food. Liquids don't trigger the same fullness signals as solid meals, so hunger remains unchanged after drinking them. This leads to calorie stacking, drinking calories on top of meals you were already going to eat. Replacing calorie-dense drinks with water, sparkling water, or zero-calorie options is honestly one of the most effective fat loss strategies available. It requires no extra effort, no extra time, and no sacrifice in meal enjoyment, yet the impact on body composition can be dramatic over time. Carbohydrates are often blamed for fat gain, But, the real issue lies in refinement. When carbs are heavily processed, fiber and nutrients are stripped away, leaving behind a product that digests rapidly and spikes blood sugar. This leads to quick energy crashes and renewed hunger shortly after eating. Foods like pastries, white bread, and sugary cereals definitely fall into this category. Whole food carbohydrate sources behave very differently. Potatoes, rice, oats, legumes, fruits, and whole grains digest slower and provide sustained energy. They keep you fuller for longer and reduce the urge to snack constantly. Carbs don't need to be eliminated. They just need to be chosen wisely. When carbs are used to fuel activity and training, they become a tool rather than a problem. Exercise is another area where people, tend to overcomplicate fat loss. Endless high-intensity cardio sessions often leave folks exhausted, sore, and honestly, just starving. While cardio does burn calories, it also increases appetite in many individuals. This creates a pretty common trap, where the calories burned during exercise are quickly offset by overeating afterward. Walking, on the other hand, is one of the most underrated fat loss tools available. It burns calories without significantly increasing hunger or stress. It's easy to recover from, gentle on the joints, and, sustainable for the long term. Daily steps accumulate quietly, creating a consistent calorie burn without mental fatigue. When walking becomes a daily habit, fat loss really starts to accelerate without that feeling of constant effort. Resistance training is, absolutely essential for reshaping the body. Fat loss alone doesn't create a strong or defined physique. Muscle does. Lifting weights builds lean mass, improves posture, and changes how your body looks, even at the same body weight. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it requires energy to maintain. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. Ab exercises alone won't remove love handles or belly fat. Spot reduction is a myth. Training specific muscles strengthens them, but fat loss occurs systemically. Fiber is another key factor that is often overlooked. Fiber slows digestion and increases satiety, helping you feel full on fewer calories. High-fiber foods take up more space in the stomach and reduce the urge to overeat. Vegetables, beans, fruits, and whole grains are powerful tools for appetite control when included consistently. A simple strategy that works is starting every meal with protein and vegetables. This fills the stomach early, reducing the likelihood of overeating calorie-dense foods later in the meal. It's not about restriction, it's about order and structure. Sleep may be, honestly, the most underrated fat loss factor of all. Poor sleep disrupts hormone balance, increases stress hormones, reduces insulin sensitivity, and impairs recovery. When sleep is inadequate, the body is more likely to store fat and break down muscle. Appetite hormones become dysregulated, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Quality sleep enhances fat loss even when diet and training remain unchanged. Getting like 7 to 8 hours of sleep in a dark, cool environment really supports recovery, hormone production, and mental clarity. Limiting screen exposure before bed and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can dramatically improve results. Fat loss success doesn't come from extremes, it comes from alignment. When nutrition, movement, recovery, and consistency work together, progress becomes honestly inevitable. The goal isn't perfection, it's sustainability. Small improvements repeated daily create transformations that last. This approach doesn't just change your body, it changes your relationship with food, training, and discipline. Instead of constantly starting over, you build momentum. Instead of fighting your body, you guide it. And when the holidays arrive again, you won't be hiding from mirrors or avoiding photos. You'll be confident, capable, and in control. If you want fat loss advice that actually works, not trends that keep you stuck, subscribe now. Everything on this channel is built to get real results.